Tito Sen, Senator Sir, eto ho na naman tayo, no? Pagkatapos nga ng remand, mukha pong dito babalik. Sinasabi po kasi ni Ginoong Escudero that the Senate as a collegial body, ano ho, opo,
Oo.
and as an impeachment court, ano po, lahat daw po ay maaaring ma-erase na motion, including yung motion to dismiss na naman itong articles of impeachment and can be voted by a simple majority vote. What's your take on that?
Ay, hindi po pwede yun. Um, it's against reason, it's against the Constitution. Sapagkat pag impeachment court na, senator, judge ka, collective yun eh. Judge kayo, impeachment court kayo. Hindi naman individual eh. So, in any regular court of law, at katulad din ng impeachment court, kahit sabihin mo political yun, kayo ang judge eh. Hindi kayo pwede mag-motion to dismiss or kung ano-anong motion. Ang motion na pwede ninyo na pag-uusapan na pwede, yung let's say merong sinabi ang prosecution at ang presiding officer tinanggap, pwedeng pumalag yung member ng court. Let's say tumayo yung isang member ng court, sabihin ganyan na Mr. President, we need to, Mr. Presiding Officer, we need to vote on that matter. Ganun yun eh. Like for example, sinasabi nito, sustained. Ayaw nung iba. Pwede yun. Pwede yun. Pero yung motu proprio, biglang magmo-motion ng isang member ng judge for, let's say, dismissal of the case, ay hindi pwede yun. Saan ka nakakita ang judge mismo magdi-dismiss sa sarili niya? Hindi ba, it's beyond reason and beyond the Constitution.